Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a Waterpik to floss your teeth. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, as you can see, I actually have a Waterpik mini unit right over here. It's like a travel-sized Waterpik, but it's going to be very similar for pretty much any Waterpik unit that you're using. So basically, you're going to want to fill up the reservoir with water. So as you can see, there's water in the reservoir. Now, because this is a mini unit, it doesn't have a big reservoir. If you have a larger unit, it's going to have more water in it. But fill it up. You want to make sure that it has a good enough amount of water so that you can use. And there might be additional controls on yours, but on this one, there's just on and off and the speed setting. Now, basically, it's very simple to use. I'm going to show you how to use it very, very easily. You turn it on, and water starts squirting out of the Waterpik unit that you have of the Waterpik handheld. And you can turn it at a higher speed if you want. So I'm going to point this into the sink. I can turn it higher or lower. Very simple. Obviously, higher speeds are going to clean your teeth or floss your teeth a little bit better. It's going to get more plaque out, more debris out of your teeth, but the water is coming out at a faster pace, so you're draining more water a little bit faster, more quickly, I should say. You're draining the water. It's just, it all depends on your own personal preference. I mean, if you're flossing your teeth and you haven't flossed your teeth for a while, you probably want to start on a slow speed because you don't want your gums to bleed too much. But basically, you have different attachments as well. So right here, as you can see, I have this attachment, which has this tiny little tip, this little tiny nozzle on it, okay? I'm going to remove that. I'm going to show you this attachment right here, which this one has a much bigger nozzle on it right there. Now, obviously, a smaller nozzle is going to cover a smaller surface area in your teeth, but it's going to give you more pressure. So what I recommend, this is how I floss my teeth using the Waterpik, okay? I turn it on and I start off by using this nozzle. This is especially what I use in the morning because it's been, since I only floss my teeth in the morning. So it's been, like 24 hours since I flossed my teeth. So I start off with this one right here. Okay, I turn it on and you just want to go like this. I'll show you before I turn it on. You just want to go around each tooth, just like that. You're just outlining your teeth, basically. So let's turn it on, and obviously you're going to spit out the water. So let's turn it on and show you exactly how I do it, like this, okay? So I'm going to leave it on the lowest speed so it stays relatively quiet, and I'm going to show you what I do. Just watch and learn. Okay. Just like that. Just like that, okay? Just like that, around each tooth. Just like that. Okay, just like that. Now, then what I do, and I felt a little pain there, which is interesting. I have to go and see the dentist. I have to book an appointment soon anyways. I have to see the dentist, but felt a little pain there. That's an indicator that maybe something's up. And that's why I like the Waterpik, because it really gets in there where floss can't go. And it's going to show you basically, for the most part, what's going on with your mouth. If you feel some pain, it's a good indicator that something's up. You should go see your dentist. Now we use a smaller one, higher pressure, gets out a lot more plaque. Really interesting. You're gonna see the water probably sprayed significantly. I might hit the camera, I might not, but we're gonna try it out. Let's go. Just like that. Just like that. I go around this way. Now the bottom teeth, look, like that. There you go, like that. Okay, and the top on this side, just like that, just like that. Okay, now my teeth feel amazing, but one last thing, if you have a retainer like me, I have a permanent retainer, I do that separately by itself, like this. Okay, around. Just like that, very simple. So it's a very simple method. What you want to do is choose the right attachment and the right speed. Usually I would go at a little bit of a higher speed, like level 2 instead of level 1. Like right here in the level 2 instead of level 1. This is 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. I would choose basically level 2 because that would allow me to get all the plaque out, but I don't want it to be too loud on the camera right now. But you just want to basically turn it on to the appropriate speed, outline your teeth. Start off by using the larger attachment, like I said, and then you want to make your way onto the smaller attachment because this is going to fine tune. This is like blasting the majority way, and this is like fine tuning. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to floss your teeth with a Waterpik water flosser. Like I said, I'm using the water flosser mini version over here, but it's pretty much going to be the same thing. no matter which version you use. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.